This is a video about how you know you're a whore. Well, you're a whore if you kiss everybody in the world or in your school, or if you have sex with everybody in your school.
So don't go get with the guy and then go get with his friend and then get with his other friend because then you're a total whore. I mean, like.
But you can get with one friend, but
Yeah.
you can't get with two friends. You're a fucking total whore. Exactly. But one friend you're good.
No, because it's okay because let's say you get with the guy and you don't know his friends, and then all of a sudden you meet his friends and one is cuter than your guy, you know.
And then you want to go out with that guy, so.
You're gonna be like, what up? And then, you know. And you don't have babies because then you're a whore because you need to be married first. I was married first. Married? You don't want to be in the video, so your opinion doesn't count, Angel. Alright, anyways. I'm not a whore because I got married. But not getting divorced, but I still got married. That is the point of this, okay? Anyways, so it's okay, remember, it's okay to get with one friend if they're hotter than your boyfriend, okay? But don't go get with his friend too, and then his friend and his friend. That's not how it works. You don't meet new guys, they're everywhere. You go to the store, you go to the gym, guys are everywhere.
You can even go into the thrift store and there's a guy in there.
Don't find a guy at the thrift store. That he's gonna be broke. Because only broke guys go to the thrift store like my baby's dad. And he's a fucking broke ass and doesn't want to give me no money. I have like 3 kids. What the fuck? Look at the poor baby. He's all just all crappy because his dad don't want to give me no money to buy him nice clothes. So I have to go to the thrift store. Fuck you.
No, because anybody can get a job. You go to the strip club and just make money. Right?
That's Angel's opinion, not ours.
You can just go to your friends, homeboys, people's house and spend all the extra money. You don't even have to go to
I don't have any friends, homeboys, people I know yet. I don't.
That's when you go to the thrift store.
Don't go to the thrift store and find customer to strip to. Because they're poor and they're not going to pay you this. They're not going to make it rain. Okay, anyways. We don't want to get paid in food stamps. We're already chubby enough.
But we need formula because the baby's dad.
Oh yeah, we do need formula though, because you know the baby daddy don't want to give me no money, so I might have to go get me some food stamps. I feel like I don't though.
Oh God.
The government is trying to get us fat, yeah, they don't give us enough food stamps. They only give me 200. What the fuck am I gonna buy with 200? I need fucking Slim Fast. It only buys me a little bit. Say something, Deja.
Yeah, that's how you're water.
Alright, so Angel said to go strip, but we're not gonna listen to her.
But then I guess she'll be a whore. If I guess I would be a whore if I have to my water.
If you have a baby dad and he don't want to pay you, go find him and kick his ass. I know, don't. We're gonna mess with plans. But then if you have brothers, you're lucky because then you can go have them beat them up. But I have no brothers, so I have to beat them up myself.
You can work with your brothers. Just pay them. They'll go beat somebody's ass for you.
Really? I'm gonna do that. Alright, well, that's how you're a whore. Gotta go.